Welcome back to the daily grind. I am back here at this laminate job working on the bathrooms right now. We got the underlayment and stuff put down the other day. So let's see how we're going to start this vinyl installation in a bathroom. So a typical small bathroom such as this is a little 7-foot yon way, 6'6" this way. So typically what I am going to do on this particular bathroom, and I do one a lot because you can see they're kind of cut up and they're small areas. I'm going to take my factory edge and line my tub right there because that's going to be the most visual spot whenever you walk into the bathroom, the most visual whenever you're in the bathroom or anything like that. Having that nice and straight with the tub is going to be the most impressionable visual there is, because you see here you only got like, I don't know, 2.5 feet, and then you got another 2.5 feet here, and then it's jogged out like that. So the main wall is going to be here. As far as the visual, this is going to be not seen until about here. So again, you got 2.5, 3 feet there. So the main thing that's going to be noticed is the tub. So that's what we're going to line off of. We'll get it cut down, fold it back, glue one side, glue the other side. Let's get it started. Alrighty, trimmed in all the way around. And again, I did line the tub. That corner set out a little further that way, and that corner set out a little further that way. So I had to do just a little trim on the inside right there, in the center of the bathtub, to get my full factory right there. But with that being said, you see my line over there. I haven't measured it, but visually it's nice and close. Over here, full block, and visually underneath there, it's nice and close. Okay, so this is the other bathroom, and I'm going to do it a little different than the other one because it's bigger and broader. So I've got my back wall back here lined up 8 15/16 to the outside of the line on each end of the room there. And over here with the tub, which is going to be visible like crazy, but I didn't want to line off that since we got this long wall right here. So I did, however, make sure that I do not have a grout line like this close to my tub. I've got a grout line about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches away. So if the tub is just a little crooked from this wall, that's not going to show out as bad because it is got some distance between the grout lines and the tub. So anytime you're unsure, don't put a grout line 1 inch or 2 inch from what you're unsure about. Give yourself some distance. Visually, it's going to be a lot better. All right, we now have everything all cut in, ready to go. Because we have all these door jambs and cutouts and stuff over here, I'm going to fold this side back first. Again, about center of the doorway here. Fold this side back first, glue it. The reason being, all this stuff over here, because there is so many little cutouts, it's going to hold the vinyl in place better than just that. So while I'm folding it back, it's going to be less likely to move on me because we have all this stuff here, which is going to hold it in place for us. So that's why I choose to fold this back first. I want to point out too that I do have all my jambs tucked and everything before I glue it, just to be certain that everything is going to fit under there nicely. Nothing more aggravating than having glue on the floor and struggle getting your door jambs tucked under there nicely. Get glue all over your fingers. That's just straight filthiness from the vinyl. There ain't no glue on me yet, but tucking it under there with glue under and then having issues, very aggravating. So always just tuck them first. Make sure you're in the good before you spread the glue. glue until everything has been rolled over in that direction. You will definitely trap an air pocket or a bubble, whatever you want to call it, in the vinyl. You won't be able to get it out. Just a little glue tip here as well. Notice on my bucket here, I got all the glue scraping off on one side of the bucket, not all the way around the top. And also check this out. Notice what side of the bucket my handle's on. It's not over here to where if something drips whenever I'm scraping my trout, it's going to get all on the handle. Keep your handle on the opposite side that you scrape your glue. Scrape your glue on one side only. Okay, we didn't get a whole lot done today. Just been kind of working here by myself. Got my earbuds in, getting some business schooling going on here, trying to better myself. Anyway, we got this vinyl completely installed. We got tack strip down everywhere. You can see the nails all around. I pull my nails out and use my staple gun. Tack strip in here. This is all ready to go. We got tack strip down in here. We're all ready to go in here. And also, I got this bathroom completely done, which you guys seen, probably that, but anyway, we got the rest of the vinyl complete. I will be back tomorrow to install this carpet in these 3 rooms and finish out this right here. Got about 2 feet right there, and I have that stack of wood to do it. Now this is, remember me telling you that he wanted to just put metal over this. This is a glue together laminate. You see there, just a groove, no locking mechanism. Straight up glue it to the next board. What I'm gonna do, I will take and trim this bottom lip off right here and just place it on top of the other one, on top of the groove, the tongue. Here is my plan, anyway. We'll see how it works out. And I'll use my Cool Glide on that, and I'll glue that first run in. Dang, as a matter of fact, I didn't think about that. I might just use a Titebond 2. If I don't have any of the laminate wood glue over there, I might just go get me a quart of Titebond 2 to glue the rest of that in. I don't want to Cool Glide every one of them in there, so I will definitely just do the 1 row and glue the rest of them in. That's what I'll do. Put some tape on it and let it set. Anyway, we are outy bouty. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to the Daily Grind. By the way, if you guys are over in the UK, over in England, and you're looking for a quality installer, somebody certified that has 30 plus years experience, and again, a big thing is certified, go check out iFit Flooring over there in England. Quality installation. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. FBSB's out.